Hello, my name is Nana Putri Zanabida, and I will explain about the phenomenon elephant, phonological process, syllable structure, intonation, connected speech and weak forms, distinctive feature, appellative phonological analysis, and metrical phonology. First, I will explain phoneme and elephant. Phoneme is the smallest unit that can change the meaning. For example, P and P are deviant phoneme because path and path have a deviant meaning. An allophone is a variation of the phoneme that does not change the meaning. For example, P in paint is aspirated, but P in spin is not. They are different pronunciation, but still the same phoneme. Second, phonological process. These are changes that happen to sound in speech. For example, exclamation happens when one sound becomes similar to another sound. In the word input, some speaker may not pronounce it more, like input, because an changes a before p. Another process is deleted when the sound disappears, like inflate speech. This makes speech easier and faster. Third, syllable structure. A syllable usually has one set, nucleus and coda. The nucleus is the most important part, usually a vowel. For example, in the word cat, K is the one set, and I is the nucleus, and the T is coda. Understanding syllable structure helps us to have the words in the pulled from sound. For intonation in the rise and fall of pitch in speech. It helps show emotion, attitude, and meanings. For example, when I say "you're coming" with the raising intonations, it sounds like equation. And when I say "you're coming" with the falling intonation, it sounds like a statement. 5. Connect speech and weak verbs. Connect speech and how words sound when we speak naturally in sentence, not one by one. Weak forms are the reduced pronunciation of function words. For example, in "I can do it," and the word can may sound like I can, like a can't instead of can't. This makes the speech are natural and fluent. 6. Distinctive feature. These are the properties that describe sounds like voice and voiceless, nasal or oral, and so on. For example, S is voiceless and Z is voiced. This feature help us compare sounds and explain why some sounds are different in the language. 7. Applied phonological analysis. This means using phonological to analyze real language data. For example, if I hear the learner pronounces three or t, I can realize that the learner may have difficulty. This kind of analysis is useful in teaching pronunciation practice and language learning. 8. Metrical phonology. This is not the stress pattern in the word and sentence. For example, in the word impart, stress can change the meaning depending on the whether it is a noun or a verb. Stress in the verb starts. It's important because helps listeners understand word correctly. Thank you for me. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.